Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a living abroad plan with InterNations step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the InterNations website. Create an account if you haven't already. Fill in your personal details and preferences. Explore the available resources for expatriates. Identify your desired destination country. Research the cost of living in that country. Look into the local culture and customs. Join relevant forums and discussion groups on InterNations. Connect with expats currently living in your chosen location. Ask questions about their experiences and insights. Outline your personal and professional goals for living abroad. Assess your financial situation to determine your budget. Create a timeline for your relocation process. Start preparing the necessary documents for your move. Check visa and residency requirements for your target country. Plan your housing options in the new location. Consider healthcare options and insurance coverage. Create a checklist of items to pack and essentials to buy. Make arrangements for your pet, if applicable. Set up a support network with friends and family. Stay informed about any developments in your destination country. Prepare for cultural adjustment and challenges ahead. Review your living abroad plan regularly and update it as needed. Embrace the adventure of living abroad with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.